complete three-point play for jersey number 29. Score 68-55. 30-point lead para sa Barangay Iloilo. Jersey number 18. 2 minutes. Working on the shot line. Jersey number 18. Nice play again. Puts it up. It's good. Body for the rebound. Secure the rebound para jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 15. Jersey number 15 is a pass to jersey number 27. Nasa law turnover. Substitution. Jersey number 8, boxing jersey number 16, again, easy down, easy dribbling, time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds to play. Jersey number 16, will be spotted to jersey number 15, jersey number 22. 10 on the shot clock, jersey number 16. 6-second shot clock, jersey number 15 to jersey number 16. 3-second shot clock, place it up, or shot, there's a foul, jersey number, what's shot up? Jersey number 27. That is third foul, penalty. 2 free throws for jersey number 16 and Yang. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds to play.
Ano sasabihin mo sa idol mo?
68-55.
Magaling yan. Player yan.
Second last one for jersey number 16, jumpers ready. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds to play. 1 out of 2 for jersey number 16 and Yang. Score 69-55. Jersey number 29 and then jersey number 15 against the two defenders. Intercepting jersey number 16. I got easy fire. Opening goal. And jersey number 16. So 71-55. 16-point lead. Jersey number 29. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 23 for 3. 8 seconds. Body for the rebound. Ako yung jersey number 27 and jersey number 23. There's a whistle ball between jersey number, who's brought up? Jersey number 15. And his first foul, penalty.
16.
2 free throws for jersey number 23. Time remaining 54.4 seconds to play. Score 71-55. Second the last number jersey number 23, Thomas ready. 1 out of 2 for jersey number 23, substitution. Jersey number 80 now, replacement jersey number 21, Zacapo. Time remaining 54.4 seconds to play. Score 71-56. 15-point lead by Barangay Iloilo, jersey number 15. Pass to Anyang. The jersey number 22, 15 on the shot clock. Jersey number 16 and jersey number 29. Then on the shot clock, using the screen, jersey number 16, he can pass